file is for making and selling physical items only. The digital file may not be shared, sold, or distributed in any form. Assembly instructions. 124 Scale Artist Studio. Rear wall assembly. Attach the light shelf, 2 picture shelves and skirt board to the rear wall. Right wall assembly. Attach the light shelf, 2 picture shelves, door frame, long skirt board and short skirt board to the right wall. Left wall assembly. Attach the light shelf, curtain, windowsill center, windowsill right and left pieces and the skirt board to the left wall. Attach rear, left and right walls to the floor. Insert U-clips in the square holes in the light shelf to strengthen the walls. The main assembly is complete. Next, we will build the light shelf cover. Join the right and left pieces to the rear piece, place top piece on and fit end caps to light shelf cover. The light shelf cover sits on top of the main assembly and the slots. The light shelf can hold various types of lights. Next, we will build the easel and stool. Attach easel shelf to easel front. Use easel clips to join easel front and easel rear leg together. Attach easel stool top to both legs. Place as required into main assembly. Next, we will build the desk and chair. Attach side pieces to center bar and attach desktop. Attach sides of chair to seat and rear back rest bars. Place as required in the main assembly. Add paintings to picture shelf. You can place them where you want or even make your own paintings. Add accessories to the desk. You can use your imagination to find or make items to add to the model. Your model is complete. Well done and enjoy. Don't forget to add some lights to really make it shine.